Hi, welcome to Cook Till You Drop. Today we are making a simple white sauce with prawns. For that you need about half a teaspoon of fenugreek, about 5 garlic cloves finely chopped, and 1 onion, also finely chopped. Fry all the ingredients in your pan. And add your prawns, about 250 grams. Fry until your prawns are done and add tomatoes. Let it cook for about 3 minutes. And add some cream. And for more flavor, you can add some white wine before you add your cream. Garlic, cream, prawns. Unbelievable tasty. By adding white wine, you give it even more flavor. You should really try it out and let me know how it tastes. And your delicious meal is ready. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye!